You're watching Mining Headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murrigan. Gold prices tumbled on Tuesday, posting their biggest one-day fall since 2021, as investors took profits after 9 straight weeks of gains and record highs. Spot gold fell 5.3% to $4,151 an ounce, retreating sharply from Monday's all-time high of $4,380. US gold futures also dropped 4.6%, settling around $4,161 per ounce in New York. It was the metal's steepest intraday decline in 4 years, marking a rare pullback in an otherwise powerful rally that's more than doubled gold's value since 2021. Analysts say the sell-off follows weeks of speculative buying amid geopolitical tensions and heavy central bank purchases. US President Donald Trump and Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese have signed a landmark $8.5 billion agreement to expand access to critical minerals and rare earths. It's aimed at reducing dependence on Chinese supply chains. President Trump says the partnership will ensure the US has so much critical mineral and rare earths that one doesn't know what to do with them. Well, that's his quote. Albanese called it a pipeline ready to go, highlighting new projects in both nations. The deal includes a $1 billion joint funding within 6 months and the Pentagon-backed gallium refinery in Western Australia, plus potential collaboration with Japan. It follows Beijing's tightening of rare earth export controls, which has shaken global markets. Trump said the pact strengthens both nations' economic and defense ties, calling it a major step towards supply chain independence. Copper climbed close to record levels on Monday as well, as investors weighed upcoming US-China trade talks. Again, that's a factor, and fresh data from Beijing. On the London Metal Exchange, prices hit $10,691 a ton. That's up 1.5%, while COMEX futures gained 1.6% to $11,130 a ton. The rally follows President Donald Trump's warning of new tariffs if talks with Xi Jinping failed later this month. China's data showed uneven growth, but confirmed the country remains on track for its 5% target this year. Tight supply and bullish sentiment from last week's LME week continued to drive copper toward record highs. Anglo American and ARC Minerals have ended their copper and cobalt exploration partnership in Zambia, closing the book on Anglo's first new venture in the country in nearly 2 decades. The joint venture, launched in 2022, stalled after a year with no drilling activity. Under the mutual agreement, about $800,000 will remain in the account of Honda Resources, the vehicle holding Anglo's stake. Anglo will relinquish its shares and ARC will regain full control of the assets. The exit underscores the challenges faced by global miners seeking to revive Zambia's copper belt amid shifting investment conditions. And now, the Northern Miner has revealed a new bonus prize clue to all subscribers, marking the next phase of its Great Canadian Treasure Hunt. Paid subscribers have access to the exclusive email and video content available both in English and French, and that includes fresh hints and insights about the latest hidden prize. If you want to know more about what's happening on that treasure front, visit treasure.northernminer.com for more details. And that's where we leave your news headlines on mining.com for now.